Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about the balance. The balance is the key in tennis or any sports. So I just want to explain that there are two type of balance, statics and the dynamic. Statics means in the rest motion you can stay very nicely, and the dynamic means you are running but you are moving but you can control your balance. Okay, so if your balance is good, so you can hit the ball very nicely. So you can reach to the ball, you can go to the ball faster also, but you can maintain your balance nicely. So this is the key point for the any player. So today we are going to show that how we can improve the balance. The first thing I want to say that balance, this is our head, okay? Balance is start with head. If our head is not controlled, because if I want to move there, so my head will move first, then I am going. So our head is the important part for the body, and this is the heavier than the other part also. So you know that. So because of that, I am going to, so if you keep our head still, head balance, our head balance is good, so our body balance is good. Okay? So the thing is that if anybody head is controlled, so their body is also controlled. Then balance means head balance is good. So that one we are going to work for how we can do. So I have one student the Srim Sadhuka, can you come here? So for that I'm choosing him because he is having that problem. Okay, so now you stay here. So Wadi, तुझे बोलना तो थी यार भालो चले. So now you had seen that he is hitting the ball, but he is not stable. Okay, so now I am going to using this cap. So this one I am not going to put in the normal way. Okay, so I will put this one inside, so it will be balanced here. Okay, only this is the just upper part of the head. Now ready? You can see I am putting this one. So now if I put this here, now it will be, and then you can see if I ready, okay, and then when I am going to give the ball to him, and you can see you fall down again. Come on, take it. Narada sir. Okay, not bad. So you had seen that his head was not good, then his cap is falling, and then after that he is trying to maintain, but it is very hard for him to maintain because after one or two ball the cap again fell down. So what to do? The second thing is improvement, that his move. When you are keeping the cap here and try to control your ball and hit and balance and stop little bit, okay? Take rest for a second snapshot like this and then back. Then what happened? You need to control this one to maintain, okay? So now I'm telling him to do just after hitting the ball, stay in the good balance and posture for a while and then back there, okay? Are you something there? Ready? Balance, good. One. Good. একদম ready. আবার note this time. 4, 5. Okay. So now you understand that this is the if you practice like this, little more ball and regularly, and then your balance will be okay. So this is the thing, okay. So if the anything like this is the cap is the good because we are always having the cap. So in the cap, the back part you don't need to keep it, hold it out, and then you can keep it like this, and then just top of the, okay, so it is like this, okay. So like this you can keep and try to hit 50, 60 balls or 100 balls every day to maintain the balance. So this is the one of the key balance, okay, because sometimes the head is going off and then they are always having the problem. So now the another one for the beginner, how can you, there are a lot of things, but I am trying to 2-3 technique. So how can you can improve the body balance and head balance. So this one I can now I can sometime I do. Can you stay back? Stay back. So he is ready without the ball. When I give the ball, when I drop the ball, and then he will cross over the ball and then hit the ball. So he don't know. So where? So he will go more faster, adjusting step, and take the step up, and then they will hit. Okay. Now you can see. Little bit over. Baseline. So now you can understand. So sometimes if you like the watching and then you are long steps and little wide step. So if you are staying wide, so if I am staying wide means about more than the racket because my leg is long. Okay. So more than my racket, twice to my shoulder, and then if I stay, then I am very good. So I can move on nicely. Okay. I already made one video about the athletic posture about the tennis player. So there also I explained about the balance, because balance I always said that if you are having the good balance, you can play very nicely. Okay. Tennis. So this is also, so you understood now. So this type of that thing we can make. So now you understand there is a 2 thing for the making the balance. I gave you 3 advice about this. The first, when you hitting the ball, you can keep your one cap here and then you try to maintain the balance. Okay. But when you are doing, you can little bit stop after the hitting that one, and then after that keeping the cap, and then you try to hit the ball. If it will fall, try to maintain this one. So your head will be straight. So your cap is going to stay on your top. Okay, the head top. So that is another one. But when the kid or somebody like this, so we can also place the ball and the player is moving, and then they are going to cross this to wide stance and to shadow swing. Okay, so this one also is very helpful. Okay, I hope this video is going to help you for making the balance. And next time I'm going to make another video about the balance for the more advanced player. Okay, and balance and the coordination. So now you already got this one. Okay, that in the how to control the head in the balance. Okay, because what I explained, that head is the vital part to maintain the balance. So first thing you can what I did, I kept one cap to my student, okay, to frame, and then he was trying to control the head, because when he will move and it will fall down. So he is going, he is trying to maintain the head, and then he is hitting. So this one also, and when he is hitting, after the hitting, he is trying to make the good posture when it is finishing that one, and he's staying little bit and then coming back again. So that also was that. And another one I just gave you, that I was passing the ball like this, and he was running and he was crossing the ball because I'm keeping the diagonally and then crossing the leg and doing the shadow swing. So he need to stop. So this is the planting the leg, okay? So this is also is very good. So if you use this type of drill for the player, their balance is going to improve. I'm sure about that. Okay? So thank you very much for watching our video, and please subscribe. Next time we are going to make another advanced one. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.